Hi everybody, welcome to this week's video for Test Tube Tuesday. As always, I'm Chantel and we're in the library, and today we're looking at some coding and engineering stuff. Okay, so let's get started. Today we've got this robot called Botley, which is pretty cool, and we've also got these snap circuits to look at. So first let's take a look at Botley and see what he can do. As many of you know, in today's world, coding and computer literacy are really important. So this robot's just sort of a soft introduction to how to code and thinking and coding logic. So let's get him turned on. And as you can see, he's very friendly. So he's controlled with this little remote control controller right here. So we'll give him some instructions, and instead of just taking instructions, he also remembers everything you tell him. So he can work in if-then logic and loops and some other different things that pop up in coding a lot. So let's give it a go. I'm going to tell him to take a right turn. And there he goes. So I'm going to try it again. I'm going to tell him to take a left. But if you notice, I'll only press this right, or the right button here. I told him to take a left the first time. I'll press this right button here, and he won't forget that I told him to take a left. He'll remember each instruction. So let's try it. Left turn and then a right turn. So yeah, if you want to come and play with him, he's pretty neat. I'm just going to turn him off for now so we can get on to our next thing. So next we have this snap circuits kit. Now many of you may wonder how electricity works. So these batteries are producing a form of chemical electricity because they're alkaline batteries, which basically just means that they make electrons. So there's the chemicals in them have atoms which have electrons, and there'll be lots of negative charge over here because an electron has a negative charge if you know the parts of an atom. And each of these negatives want to flow towards positive to make up the difference, which produces electricity. So let's give it a go. We're going to do this, and then we're going to put the switch onto the negative side here. That's where all of the electrons are building up. Put it all together. Let's see if I can get this part on. There we go. And then it's off, and we're going to put it to on. And the fan runs. So right now, electrons are going from this negative side all the way across the positive side. So they're flowing through the metal. And they flow through metal because metal is conductive, unlike something like plastic, which doesn't really take electrons very well. Okay, so I'm going to turn that off. All right, and that's all we have for today. We'll be in the children's area from 3:45 to 5 on Tuesdays, and we hope to see you there. Bye, guys!